Nababo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa newest hangout dito po sa Angeles City, and this is
City Lounge.
So
Yes.
dito guys, we're gonna be surprised kung ano yung niready nila sa ating pagkain, no?
Yes, I hear they are serving amazing food, chill drinks, at the
Yes.
same time, meron din sila mga live bands.
All nights of the week available yung live band nila dito. So, if you want to know more about this restaurant, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so this is our table. Mark, what can you say?
So, as you could see on our table, so meron tayong mga amazing dishes here, oh.
Grabeng daming pagkain dito. And what can you say about the place,
So
brother?
yung place, oh, as you could see, napaka-cozy,
Aha.
ang sarap mag-chill, at the same time, parang ang bonggang tignan.
In the middle, guys, mapapansin nyo, so nandun yung stage natin. Doon yung mga live bands. So, all night, meron tayong acoustic bands dito. So, aside from the, amazing food, amazing place, hindi ka pa mabobore sa, dahil sa mga sounds natin from the acoustic band.
Yes.
Okay, so Mark, tell us about the dishes that we have, brother.
So on our table, so syempre hindi natin pababayaan na hindi natin pakilala yung mga food nila. So first of all, meron tayong seafood salpicao, beer buttered shrimp tacos, meron din tayong bangus a la pobre, barbecue platter, meron din tayong bulalo, rotisserie pork belly, which is this one. Ayan, no? Meron din tayong chicharong bulaklak, crispy ulo, and honey barbecue chicken pizza tacos. As you could see, napakadami natin serving dito. Next thing to do natin is taste test.
Alright, so you can sing along with the band. Every night po dito, meron silang acoustic night. Okay, so coming in here guys, yung mga VIP chairs natin dito, it's gonna be 5,000 pesos consumable. And the time will be unlimited, no? So you're gonna enjoy this very cozy couches. Look at that. Laki nito guys, tingnan nyo naman to. Oof. Look at this, para siyang steak guys. But this is sa pork belly. Ayan, so lagyan natin ng dip. And look at that dip. So, I've tasted so far few of their menu, no? So, grabe itong rotisserie pork belly. And I think this is shareable up until 5, more than 5, no? And it's gonna be your parang main entree.
So ito yung kanilang crispy ulo. So what is good thing here is yung barbecue style siya. So tingnan nyo naman, no? It's a grilled daw. And yan, crispy outside and juicy inside. So tingnan natin.
Ganyan, bro. Oof.
Yaman, ha?
drinks naman nila, of course, available dito yung bucket beer. Meron din tayong non-alcoholic at saka mga cocktails. So earlier nakita natin to guys, paano nila ginawa. Very entertaining yung mga barista nila dito. But at the end of the day, yeah, as low as 200 pesos, you can start your cocktail night dito. Guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. If you like the food you saw in this video,
Yes.
please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and make sure to check out City Lounge. So again, this is located
City Lounge is located dito sa may TL building, Pulung, Bulu, Angeles City, and they were open from 10 a.m. until 11 p.m.
pinaka-landmark dito guys is yung malapit lang siya dun sa Pieta place. There have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, stay safe guys.
Peace out.
Bye.